Wow. When the Titan was felled, the remnants it left behind were also quite horrifying. Sometimes those remnants leave very serious consequences for the person cutting them, so you have to be careful. Are you ready for the action scenes when heavy equipment starts working? We have collected a series of extremely satisfying logging moments just for you. First hit. Like, share, and comment number 1 before watching the content inside. Let's start the show right now. This is unbelievable. The people who can change the result of cutting a tree are truly inexperienced woodcutters.
Yeah.
Stump Destroyer. Even with the most stubborn tree stumps, the Fecon Stumpex mounted on the ASVRT-120 is still a powerful combination. With about 120 horsepower, it gives the drilling head a very strong power base. The difference is that the Stumpex does not grind at high speed like normal machines. It drills deep twists slowly and breaks the stump with great control. Its working depth can reach about 20 inches, nearly 50 centimeters below the ground. The stump disappears cleanly with fewer flying pieces and extremely impressive efficiency. The reason why thousands of tree-related damages happen during storm season. Are you curious?
There goes, down, there.
Let's come to these one-of-a-kind moments. That was unbelievably smooth.
Oh, there goes.
A versatile solution. When modern machines are not needed, used for planing wood right in the forest. With a sharp cutting blade, it cannot be underestimated. This blade can even cut through large rocks in other situations. No matter what job you do, safety must always come first. If you are not a professional, you should not do this. After cutting through the tree trunk, you must run very fast. Powerful splitter. This commercial log splitter turns heavy firewood splitting into an extremely easy task. Each large log is placed on the machine table, then split cleanly by hydraulic force. Hard wood, big wood, or knotty wood still cannot slow it down. Stable power, fast operation, and truly impressive efficiency. Sliding down from the steep hill, but the braking skill and speed control are truly admirable. Stump destroyer. Just look at the stump in the video. It has an area nearly equal to half of the Kubota S. VL95-2S. But when the Facon stump grinder head is attached, everything becomes very different. With about 96 horsepower, this track loader creates extremely solid downward force. The vertical drilling structure into the ground helps the Facon head bite deep into the stump core. Each twisting turn destroys the hard wood inside. With only 2 short ropes, he defeated a giant 60 centimeters in diameter. So far, this man is truly impressive. Leave one. Like one sub. And one impressive comment in the comment section. Heavy Biomass Factory. The Petzolato PTH 1300/1500M appears like a giant wood chipping factory. If the PTH 1400/820 Mile Road uses a Scania engine of about 550 horsepower, then this machine is much more powerful. With an independent CAT engine of about 1,150 horsepower, it handles large logs faster and more aggressively. The long conveyor carries wood chips out into a huge pile. This is the true level of industrial biomass production. This is how they quickly cut down a giant hardwood tree with just a few hours of work. Amazing. Cutting a large wooden trunk on a hillside is an extremely difficult job. The worker must keep good balance. Watch the falling direction and control every cut very precisely. Steady hands, deep experience, and calm focus help him handle the tree very professionally. Warning on steep terrain. One slip or one wrong judgment of the center of gravity can create a major risk.
To hear and feel that whoop when it falls. They actually don't go boom, it's more of a whoop. I didn't stop and show it off. The reason I didn't put the bar in all the way here, I was pretty sure it had a good lean on it.
Running right after cutting the tree trunk has become a natural reflex. Beast. Komatsu 9. 31XC. It's a very impressive logging machine on difficult terrain. With an engine of about 255 horsepower, 200 kilonewtons of pulling force, and an 8-wheel design, it keeps excellent stability when working on slopes. The powerful crane helps cut, grab, and process tree trunks faster. The efficiency of the 931XC comes from the balance between power traction and ground protection. And the powerful assistant behind it is the eco-forced T-winch. This is not just a pulling winch, but a safe support point for harvesters on slopes. With a rated pulling force from 100 kilonewtons to 180 kilonewtons. Depending on the version, the T-winch helps reduce slipping support braking and keep the machine more stable. When the terrain becomes dangerous, it turns power into control. This firewood processor handles wood extremely cleanly. The saw blade cuts fast, and the hydraulic system presses hard. Each piece of wood is split evenly and falls down continuously. This is a machine that saves human effort and increases efficiency very impressively.
We're trying to do our videos in 4K
Steel.
now too, so let me know if you like that.
MS-382 bites into the wood with a very solid engine growl. The 72.2 cubic centimeters engine produces about 5.3 horsepower, strong enough for large logs. Its weight of about 6.2 kilograms gives the machine a solid, stable feel during long cuts. The good point is its flexible bar setup. When fitted with a 25-inch S-Steel Rollomatic S-bar, the cut becomes deeper, straighter, and extremely decisive. It helps the worker handle thick wood quickly, cleanly, and very efficiently. If you like the power of the MS-382, leave a powerful comment below. Evo 36 is a firewood splitter that is very suitable for a family model. The log is fed into the chute, cut cleanly, then split into even pieces. Every action happens much faster than using an axe or a handsaw. For families that need to prepare firewood for heated cooking or small farms, the Evo 36 helps save effort, save time, and keep the work area cleaner. Compact, practical, and very reliable for family. Timber worker. Belarus MTZ-892 enters the log yard with a simple but very stubborn look. With about 89 horsepower, this tractor creates stable pulling force on dirt roads. When a trailer is attached behind it, it can carry many cut logs in one trip. Even though it is not a specialized logging truck, the MTZ-892 still works durably economically and very efficiently. So dangerous, just a little slower. And there could have been human injury in this situation. Tata 121 2TC 4x4. This truck was built for difficult terrain. With a 4x4 configuration, it grips better on mud, steep slopes, and rough forest roads. Some SA1212 TC versions use a Cummins 5.9-liter engine with about 130 horsepower and 490 Newton-meters of torque. The strong chassis helps the truck carry logs, heavy cargo, or equipment into places normal trucks can hardly reach. Not too flashy, but very durable, stubborn, and efficient. Leave a comment saying impressive right below the comment section. I will see you again tomorrow.